Mubango wa kuhe ategi a thamaki githomo kia uria mangitabania mihango yao na ikiro iria ciagiriire uhithukite hindi ya giikaro kia hamwe kiria kigomithanetie maabitha a IGAD, maabitha a thirikari ruhonge-ini rwa utegi na arugamiriri a ategi iria-ini ria Turkana niguo kwaririria uria mubango uyu uria uratanywo kuoya miaka 5 ukurutithio wira. Kuringana na ruhonge rwa utegi, mubango uyu ugutabanĩrio ategi a guku bururi-ini na arunao a bururi wa Ethiopia, itanya riri kumathomithia njira njega cia kuongerera muigana wa thamaki iria maritegaga.
Fish does not have a passport. It moves from one environment to the other based on the prevailing environmental condition. So we want governments to share information so that they make better use of the system.
So there has to be a strong collaboration, sharing of information, planning together, so that we build consensus on what we should do that will add value to the utilization of the resources.
So we know the gaps, we know the opportunities, and we know how we proceed to implement this management plan.
Ruhonge rwa utegi guku bururi-ini ruthiete na mbere kuga ati kurunga na kuramata mihango iria-ini riri ni gukuguciriria muigana munene wa aigithia, undu uria uguthondeka mieke mingi ya mawira kuri ategi aria marigicĩirie iria riri na uteithia hari kuhurana na ukia kaunti-ini ya Turkana.
The population is increasing. We have more people to feed. And as our resources are contracting, there is need for conservation measures to be put in place, revive what has already been declining, so that we create more opportunities for the people. Opportunities for having food security, opportunities for employment, opportunities for generating more money, income.
So we basically want to support our communities, support our member states, ensure that as we do that we also minimize the challenges and the difficulties that come with.
IGAD yugite mubango uyu ni uguteithia kunyihia ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri iria cikoretwo cikiumira mwena wa Turkana kumana na ukia, kuona riu andu aingi ni megukorwo na handu ha kuona umatho wa o muthenya.
We want to ensure that there is movement of quality goods across the border as fishers or fishermen or traders move across the border. The other thing is we also want to enhance safe trade, especially for women and other vulnerable population in that ecosystem.
Ikundi thatu iria ciranyitanira gukinyaniria mubango uyu cigomanite guku Naivasha niguo kwarira uria mianya iguthingwo mbere ya wanjitie kurutithio wira. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Naivasha, kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Festus Lang'o.